What's up guys, Peter here from Reviews on Anything, and today we're having a look at the Cube. This is a Kickstarter project I backed a few months ago. It was backed successfully and it came to fruition, and here we are with the unit. That, as you can probably tell by the dishwash brush up top here, is your sort of dishwash station. This is supposed to be the spot in your kitchen where you keep all your dishwash and cleaning products. So in this case you get a dishwash brush and some soap dispensers, but obviously you can put your own kind of brush in here, maybe a sponge, maybe a wipe like so. Really anything goes. The unit serves as sort of a base, as a stable platform where you put all this stuff to keep it semi-organized and semi-hygienic for as far as that is possible. So let's have a look at what we get here. You can probably tell already this is heavy-duty steel. It's quite heavy to lift up as well. So that is quite nice. It's a very nice and solid product to begin with. I went for the dark gray version. It also comes in a stainless steel and a white version, if that is more your taste or fits your kitchen better. But they all have the same design. So you get sort of a slot here on the front to put anything like I showed you, from cloths to sponges, anything that you want really, dishwash gloves, anything fits. Up here you get, in my case, you get the brush and the two dispensers. You can also just get the cube by itself. This is handy, so you can have maybe some hand wash soap in here and some dishwash soap, or two different kinds of soap, however you please, because these are just refillable, obviously. You can open these up and there you go. So that is quite nice and handy, keeps things organized, but also gives you a lot of flexibility, because again you can take these two out like this, and you can put your own brush in or whatever you want. So it's a very flexible solution in that sense, especially since things like dishwash brushes are gonna wear out, so you wanna replace them with your own at some point. That is really all there is to see around this unit. It's a very simple design, it's a German design, but very well thought through and very effective. Especially I like the flexibility that you can really put anything on it that you want, and that you're not stuck with you know, one type of dishwash brush that the manufacturer makes and that you might not like. But it really gives you a lot of options to do whatever you want with this unit. In this particular setting, obviously it is for dishwashing in your kitchen, but I can imagine this would also work really well in your bathroom, for example, with maybe some lotion and some hand soap, some cleaning products for makeup removal, for example. You can really get creative with these. And that makes it a nice product, that it's very versatile to use and very sort of independent of what the manufacturer originally intended with it. Are there any downsides? Well, obviously there's the capacity of these bottles that is quite limited. It's not too big, and you know, when you drop these, they're probably gonna break very soon. So that is something to take into consideration if you live with kids, for example, and you want your hand wash soap in one of these. You're probably going to be refilling them every other day. And if they get dropped and they break, that is a shame, because they fit the design so well. But then again, you can easily replace these with other bottles that, as long as they fit the square, and all is well. I would have liked to have seen a separate place to put the dishwash brush, maybe here on the side, like an extra holder, because now it sort of sits in between the bottles, and if you want to wash your hands, for example, you maybe don't want to touch the brush itself. So that is maybe something they can do in the next iteration. Now this part here on the front moves. It actually has quite a bit of flex in it, and I'm not really sure why they've done that. I would have liked to have seen a little strut underneath that prevents this sort of bouncing action from happening. It doesn't really add anything in my opinion, but those are small things. Another downside is that this whole unit will obviously come in contact with water quite a lot. That means that you're gonna get a lot of residue of the water on your unit, especially in this darker gray version. It's gonna get white spots all over the place within no time. It's less noticeable on the white version, I'm sure, but the stainless steel version will have the same dried up water droplets you're gonna see immediately. So, you know, in order to keep it semi-presentable, you're gonna have to clean the unit itself as well. It is very simple, so that is something that has to be your personal taste, but I think since it comes in 3 colors with matching accessories, that should match most kitchens. And you know, it's not expensive. It's a cool product from a cool startup company. 2 guys that made this, thought this through, and saw their product actually came to realization through Kickstarter, which I think is pretty cool. And like I said, if it doesn't fit your kitchen, it certainly will fit your bathroom if you make a few adjustments and leave the brush out, obviously. Overall though, I think it's quite a successful product that will not look bad in any kind of kitchen or a bathroom. And that is nice to keep sort of that area organized, like I said. For now, this was Peter from Reviews on Anything with a look at the Cube dishwash station. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, that always helps us out a lot. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers!